Alright, second day of rifle season in Missouri, Putnam County. And shot a deer yesterday evening. It took me all the way to the next evening to find it, but I found it. Let's go take a look and see what we got over here. Looks like a good buck. The neighbor's nice enough to let me come to his field and try to track it. Found blood there. There's blood here. Blood there on that stuff there. And I got right here and just happened to look up and I seen a head barely sticking up. He just about had it. Go check him out. Poor deer been shot 15 times. Yeah, I'm not a good shot evidently. But he's done for now. And he looks like a pretty good deer. Fatty anyway. Yeah, he's a good deer. Yeah, he's a big old rascal. Look at that body. Split brow tine, cool. Yeah, he's dandy. He's a big old buck. Oh. Yeah, he's a dandy. Good and wide. Yeah, he's a big old buck. He is a pretty thing. He broke his brow off right there. He's pretty. A dandy buck. He got a huge neck. Oh Lord, I don't know how we're gonna get this thing out of here. That's gonna be the fun part. It'd be nice if a neighbor would let me come out in his field. But he's nice enough to let me shoot the thing, so I ain't gonna push my luck. I don't know if Dad's gonna be much help dragging. We got him here. Big brother's gonna have to help drag on this thing. It is a fatty. Alright, Putnam County. First day. Took me to the second day to find the thing. Oh, he's worth the wait. I'd hate to lose that thing. He's beautiful. Thank the Lord, Missouri good to me once again. Beautiful deer. This stuff is nothing but a growed up thicket. Lucky to find him in this mess, but lucky he's still bleeding just a little bit where I could track him. He's a pig. Alright, hopefully some of the rest of them have some luck. Over and out from Missouri.